Crude oil failing to stay below the critical support zone here at 70.2, 70.4. We have seen a recovery here. It is seen the next move towards 71.5. Can it break beyond 71.6, the next milestone, and stay bullish from here? Or there is a possibility of further drop today. While natural gas, which has shown a very good swing, see, I have mentioned several times earlier that beyond 3.6, 3.64, we can look forward to the next move, which is going to take it towards 3.8. What has happened? It has moved close to 3.78, trying to reverse now. What to expect today? How to profit trading oil and gas? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Look at crude on the early charts. After this stronger dip day before, we have seen it forming the base and it is trying to bounce back. Now look at the last three lows: 70.4, 70.3, 70.2. And see, these are beautifully aligned, but with a slightly marginally lower low, then it is trying to recover from this. Now it is very, very important for it to trade above 71.6. Again, these levels are very crucial. Previously also I have mentioned these levels is crucial, and still I am sticking to the same levels here. And thus once it trades beyond 71.6, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 72, 72.4, and 73 again. Right now that momentum is missing here. What is happening after getting the resistance? It is trying to reverse, but I will say the support levels here on the downside now towards 71 and 70.8 is going to be very strong. Stochastic has dropped, MACD crossing over at the bottom, trading with bullishness here, RSI running flat. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts, forming the base, trying to bounce back, but this is a retracement almost at the 50%. It is trying to reverse, so let it break beyond 71.6, which will be a confirmation of further reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with little divergence and bullishness. Yesterday I have mentioned, see, look at the formation here. See, oil hitting the levels here, tries to bounce back, and every time it tries to bounce back, it delivers a bigger move. So this time it can deliver further bigger move here. Be mindful of this. If you look at the RSI, this is trading comfortable. It has come out of the oversold zone. Look at the three. Now on the 3 hour charts, only worry point I have is that, see, this is a retracement. Prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period, and now this is the zone that is 71.6, 72 is going to remain the critical resistance for oil today. Only and only if it breaks out beyond this, you can expect a stronger recovery here, where the chances will be high that 72.4, 73 should. Right now oil is trading in this bearish channel here, a bit of convergence, but again trying to stay bearish from here. So let's watch out. If it stays above 72 today, that is going to remain critical. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD after retracement, it is now crossing over, trying to cross over, and as I said, after every retracement it delivers higher highs. So let's wait for it. RSI trading comfortable. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is similar. Look how strong is the resistance from the 20 period moving average. Very, very important for it to stay above 71.672. That will confirm another round of rise here. Moving average is trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic overbought. MACD trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over for a buy. See, divide this into two. You can find out a double bottom, and now a crossover can lead to higher highs. RSI staying near to the bottom. Coming to the day. On the daily chart, similar is the observation. See, moving averages starting to cross over here. Not a good sign for the bulls. Already we have seen oil trading in this bearish channel, and this time almost hitting the low, that is trying to bounce back. Now this is possible that this could be the bottoming here. So let's wait. The direction it takes today might remain the direction, because see, after this big slide, this is just a minor retracement, and now today's candle is going to decide the direction it wants to take, and that is where, if it stays above 71.6, 72 zone, you can expect more bullishness to prevail, and then forthcoming candles might continue with the reversal process here. If you look at the stochastic, this is starting to look downwards. The MACD trading extremely bearish. It is almost at the bottom, coming off from the highs. It is not that it cannot hit further lows, but when you look at the recent time frames, it is reversed from these levels. RSI is dropped as well. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, I will recommend a buy at around 71.6 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 72 as the first target, 72.4 as the next, and then all the way it is going to move towards 73. Beyond 73, it is definitely to be considered as a reversal. chances for which appears to be less. Looking at the move here in the oil prices, it appears a bit sluggish today, but yes, once it and then how it breaks the critical resistances on the upside, the momentum will increase on the buy side. On the downside, now a selling entry I will recommend is at 71 levels. Expect 70.7, 70.4. 70.4, 70.2 indeed is a very good support. Below this you can expect 69.8 and 69.3. If 69.3 takes, then I think we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 68.6 or in fact 68 levels, but I do not expect that to happen. Let's see what happens. Take your trades according to the levels. Let's move to net gas. Yesterday has shown very good swings, hitting the highs at 3.78. We have seen it retracing all the way towards 3.6, and now again trying to rise, trying to bounce back. Just let it stay above 3.7 again. 3.7, 3.72 should be a very good resistance. And if it trades above this, we are again looking forward to higher highs, possibly taking it all the way towards 3. Beyond 3.8 is where major bullishness to be seen here. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD has retraced. It is trading with strong bearishness as of now. RSI is rising. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, what has happened? See, every time it diverges from the 20 period, it has shown a convergence. It has taken the support here, trying to, and this has indeed become a very good support for net gas to breach below. Then this suggests that only and only if it trades below 3.6, we can expect more bearishness here. Else, it is trying to bounce back with that as support. And if you now see, it is staying above 3.68 levels, 3.7, and rather I will say 3.68, 3.7 to this complete zone is going to remain the prime resistance zone for the day. Beyond this, you can expect a good round of rise here. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD right now has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, trading with slight bearishness, and a possibility of a further dip exist here. Though right now it is trying to bounce back. RSI is starting to look upwards again. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at on the 3-hour charts, every rise is offset with a retracement and taking the support. It always tries to bounce back. Look at the formation here. It is delivering higher lows, higher highs. The highs of this channel is now about 3.8 levels. And look at the formation after this correction. It is trying to retrace here. I will say till 3.7, 3.72, and that is why I say 3.68, 3.72. This complete zone is going to remain a prime resistance for net gas for the day, and a move beyond 3.72 should be a good indication for the next target towards 3.7576 or in fact 3.8. Stochastic at bottom here. MACD is crossed over, trading with slight divergence. Not a good sign for the bulls, as already it has seen good rise. It is not that it cannot achieve further highs, but right now it is looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. It's starting to look upwards again. On the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs here, and taking the support, trying to bounce back. Only bearishness is below 3.6, where you can expect a little correction here, as it is trying to retrace here as of now, showing little strength. Moving average trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The stock is hitting the bottom now, trying to bounce back. See, it has formed double bottom. It can form a W-shaped recovery here. The MACD is the one which has already seen a good rise, and it is willing to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in green, and it is not that it cannot achieve further highs. So for example, if MACD starts to diverge and we can see bullishness here all the way, we can see the price is landing at 3.8 or $4 levels here. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, a megaphone pattern here, where you can see increasing bullishness was seen, and yesterday's candle is indeed a swing candle closing the day in doji. And now once the next candle starts, and if you see net gas trading above 3.7, 3.72, you can say that we are looking forward to higher highs, where the possibility is there that gas prices might breach 3.8 and in fact 3.82 levels here. Now see what's happening. Higher lows are consistently seen, and it is very very important for gas to now trade below 3.6 levels. So this current candle may become a reversal if it trades below 3.6 and then 3.5455. If these two levels are taken, then this will become the reversal sign, and then the bearishness here in net gas might begin. But if you look at the move here, the moving average is crossing over here and trading with divergence is a very good sign for the bulls here. If you look at the stock, I think this is slightly overbought, which is a little concern here. But when you look at the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, it is a very good sign for the bulls. RSI rising, so mixed indication here. But yes, thing is there that if it breaks here on the upside beyond 3.68, 3.72 zone, you can look forward to a good round of rise here. So you can buy at 3.68, expect 3.7172 as the first target zone, 3.7576 as the next. And if these two levels are taken, 3.8 is a must here. Beyond 3.8, This time, if it stays, yes, you can stay bullish for the next week as well, expecting it to trade beyond 4 and then sooner or later 4.2, 4.4 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 3.62, expect it to move below 3.6, 3.57, 3.54. If 3.54 is taken today, you can expect more bearishness, which can take all the way towards 3.48, 3.45 levels. Below 3.45 is a correction which is due. Chances for which appears to be less as far as my expectation goes. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.